today's video we are going to be unboxing the May BirchBox. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fabulous today. So yeah, today's video we have the May BirchBox to unbox, and it is actually in May. What is going on? I received the box in the month I was supposed to get it. Amazing. This box costs £17 per month. I'm still deciding, is this a box that's worth it at the end of the day, because some of the sizes in here are questionable, although the last few months have been okay. So I think we'll just take it month by month and see what we think. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the boxes. Yeah, the box is open. I did not open it. It came like that, unfortunately, but I have not peeked in it. But let's just open it up. So we have the edit card here. Let's have a look. This edit is called Hydration Haven. This is the May box, and then yeah, it's got all the blurb there, which I really can't be bothered to read, if I'm honest, so I'm not going to. There is a quick sneak peek, and we're going to dig straight in here to see exactly what we've got. Back of the edit card, it says here products that we love this month, and I'm just checking, have I got them products in my thing? No, I haven't. Okay, so the products that they love this month I ain't got, so that's a great start. We've got no information on the products. We're just going to pick them at random and read what information it has on the actual products. So the first product we are going to look at is this. So this is by the brand Percy and Reed London, and it is Big, Bold and Beautiful Dry Instant Volumizing Spray. Dry instant volumizing spray, what is that? I take it this is like a deluxe or a travel size. It's 50 mils that you get in here. Our amazing, totally non-sticky dry instant volumizing spray plumps up your hair in a flash. It's a doddle to use and gives you a happy head full of body bounce and volume and texture. Apply to the hair, shake the tin well, hold 10 centimeters away, lift and massage the sections of hair, spraying upwards from underneath, massaging to the roots with fingers to create desired volume and style. Okay, so it's not a dry shampoo, it's literally just gonna, yeah, give you volume. And some days I need that. Some days I've got amazing volume in my hair, other days not so much, pretty flat as a pancake. So okay, this is a different product from Percy and Reed. I haven't received this yet from them, so yeah, really happy to get this and excited to try it out. The second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Pixie, and this is Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. It's nourishing mist, hydrating and protector. It's really hard to see the writing on this, the colour of the writing against the product. An all-over face mist for glowing, luminous and smooth complexion, enriched with 21 natural oils, propolis and aloe vera and fruit extracts. Before makeup, hydrates, protects and nourishes. After makeup, sets, adds a dewy finish and protects. Anytime, it just refreshes the makeup, hydrates and adds glow. Okay, it's nice to know that you can use it at any stage during the day then, basically. Have I had this before? I might have, you know, but I think it was a long time ago. I think it was a few years ago. But yeah, love Pixie, really affordable brand, really great product. So the third product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Marcel, and it's a BB cream, and it says Golden Glow. And it says skin enhancer for all skin types. It's perfume free. This is tiny, it's 7 mils in here, so yeah, just a little tester or something. Apply on a cleansed face, can be worn alone or makeup base. So what has me worried, it's called Golden Glow. This face isn't glowy, this face is pale as heck. So we've just opened it, let's have a little look. Okay, so I'm squeezing and nothing's coming out. 7 mils does not fill this. Oh my god. Right, there's a tiny bit. Why use something so big? 7 mils is probably going to be, what, that much in there? But yeah, that is what that looks like. Okay, I might get away with that. It's got, does that look orange? That feels lovely, it feels nice and silky. But just blending it in there. It does have a nice glow. It feels gorgeous on the skin. I might be able to get away with that, I'm not sure, but I'll certainly give it a try to see what it's like. I've had one or two things from the brand Marcel and very nice, very nice. The product I've got in my box is this. So this is by the brand Ciate London. Love this brand. This is Dewy Sticks. It's a luminous highlight and balm. I don't normally get on with highlighter balms, if I'm honest, but let's have a look. Shade shifting duochrome creates a dewy iridescent sheen. Use under the highlighter to amplify, oh my goodness, I can't talk, to amplify your glow. Enriched with butter, I've said that wrong, I do apologise, and hyaluronic acid. Glide this balm under your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, anywhere highlight would naturally hit your face for best results when wearing makeup. Swipe fingers over the product and pat over the skin. Let's just have a little look-see. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. How much product do we actually get in here? I think this is a full-size product. Okay, so it's actually pretty decent size, if I'm honest. So wind that back down before I have an accident, because it's going to happen. And then I'm just going to pop some on there. Oh, wow, wow. That kind of melted onto my skin there. So the heat of your skin helps it glide on. So just blending that in there. Oh, that's so pretty. That is very pretty. I wonder if on a natural day, you can just pop that on for like a little natural glow. It's got tiny little bits of glitter in there, can you see? That'd look nice on the collarbones. I couldn't think of the word there. As well, if you're going on a night out or something. Okay, it is pretty. I don't know, I'd have to try it out to see what it's like, because normally I'm not into highlighter sticks. But again, I'm not going to diss it until I try it. The fifth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ico, and it's an eyeliner. I was wondering when these would start making the rounds back into the different branded beauty boxes. I'm hoping this isn't the start. I'm hoping that this is just a one-off in BirchBox. Please don't let these come out into the beauty boxes too, because oh my god. And let's have a look. It's a black one. It's a liquid eyeliner, one of the liquid ones. So you've got the pen. I'm not going to open it up because I don't use these, and I can pop it in a giveaway. But yeah, I love Ico. I love Ico for their mascaras and their brow products, but not the eyeliner. Sixth and final product we have in the box is this. It's by the brand Estee Lauder. I kept this one till last because of the brand name. I am super excited to get something by Estee Lauder in BirchBox. And this is a Resilience Multi-Effect Tripeptide Face and Neck Cream. It's for normal to combination skin, and it's SPF 15 in here too. What does it say? It doesn't say much on there, if I'm 100% honest with you. Nope. No, but it's Estee Lauder, and let's just open it up and have a look. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, should I? Yeah, because this is going to jump the queue for the rest of it. I know. I've got a drawer full of skincare. Oh, it feels nice. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Feels nice and thick but light. That feels absolutely fabulous on the skin. Oh, that smells like Estee Lauder. That is beautiful. That's going straight in my little makeup tray on my desk that I use every day, because I'm going to start using that straight away. Fab. Right guys, so this is the Hydration Haven Edit, the May BirchBox. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like this box. I really like it. So let's just have a quick little recap on what goodies we have. So for sure we have, is that a full-size product? I don't know if that is a full-size product, or is that like a deluxe one. But for sure, we have 2 full-size products. We have the Dewy Sticks by Ciate London Highlighter Creamy Balm stuff, and we have the Pixie Glow Mist. So really nice to get some full-size products in the box. Great brands throughout. Definitely one of them being Estee Lauder, star of the show. I don't know what to make of the BB cream because, I mean, I think it's blended in quite well. But I've always found that that kind of thing in a beauty box is very dodgy to put in there, because I know on some of the boxes you get a questionnaire and you can tell them if you're light, medium or dark skin toned or something, but that's really risky because obviously there's a massive scale of skin tones out there. But it seems all right. It's just a shame they've made it look bigger than what it is. Not BirchBox, the company that's from Marcel. There's 7 mils in there, which is probably about that much, and that packaging is too big for it. You're there for ages trying to squeeze what feels like nothing out of the tube. And then we have the Percy and Reed Dry Instant Volumizing Spray, which I've never, I don't think, used before. I've had hairsprays, I've had dry shampoo from that brand, but not that. I honestly don't think I've had that, so yeah, I'll have to give that a go and see what is what. But yeah, overall the box gets a thumbs up. I really do feel like I have got my money's worth and more with this box, which is great. We'll continue for another month and see what is what. Most importantly, what are your thoughts? Comment them down below and let me know. I am really happy. Hallelujah. But yeah, I think that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.